All right, so in this lecture, we will see that how we can download PuTTY and MobaXterm. So for that, I will go to my browser and here I will say download PuTTY for Windows because I'm using Windows. If you are using Mac, PuTTY is not required because through Mac terminal also you can connect. I will show you that way also. Now here I want to install the PuTTY. So you need to go to putty.org and here you can say this download PuTTY and you need to download this PuTTY. Okay. Now here it is asking for Windows. This is the installer version. So I'm selecting this 64-bit x86. Now it is getting downloaded. Now it is downloaded. And we just need to, because my antivirus is preventing to download it. Now it is downloaded. Now I'm installing it. Once you have this, now you just click on next. And because I have already installed, that's why it is showing this option repair and remove. But in your case, it will be very straightforward. You just need to click next and you just need to choose the path where you want to install and then it will be installed. Okay. So I hope that will be done by you. In case if you face any issue, you can you can ask me. Okay. So I'm canceling this because I have already installed it. Now, once it is installed, how you can connect? So here I will go and check the PuTTY. Now, here you need to give the host name or IP address. So we will give the IP address. At this moment, I am not giving the IP address because with that IP address, we will not be able to connect to our virtual machine. The reason is that we need to do some port forwarding. That we will see. Okay, so you need to give the host name and it connects at port number 22. And then you need to click on open, right? So then your machine will be connected through this PuTTY. Now, there is one more option which we will use in our this training. That is the another SSH client. So these are called the SSH client. SSH clients are the client which is basically used to connect your Linux machine remotely. Now, other option I'm using MobaXterm, that is for Windows, right? So you can go to the MobaXterm and here we can go for the download. Now, here you have a portable version. So here it will download everything and through MobaXterm exe you can start your MobaXterm. But I would prefer this installer edition, which is free of cost. Okay, so so once it is installed, once it is downloaded, then we will install it. I have already installed it, but just wanted to show you the process that how we can download and install it. Okay, sometimes it takes time to download, but today it is very fast. Now here you can see it is in the zip. So now I will just extract this, extract all, and I'm extracting here MobaXterm 2.5. Okay. Now it will have one installer, MSI package. So I will double click on this. Okay, so now click on next. Again, as I mentioned, I have already installed it, but when you have not installed it, you have this next button enabled and you just need to select path. And this is not a any complication in that. You just need to click next, and this will be installed. Okay. And once it is installed, then you will have a MobaXterm into your menu. So it is something like this. And here we can click on session. In the SSH, we can give the host IP address and the username like Raman user. Okay. And port number is 22. Okay, why 22 we will discuss in our upcoming lecture. So now, so far what we have done, we have installed the SSH client, which is PuTTY and MobaXterm, right? So I'll see you in the next lecture, and also I will show you how the Mac users, they can connect from their terminal. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture, and see you in the next lecture, that how to connect our machine which we have created remotely. Thank you. Bye-bye.